Hello again and welcome to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson we are going to take the proportions, what's the meaning of proportion, and how to solve proportion, how to find the variable from a proportion. So this is 2.6 and let's start. Solve each proportion. Question 1, y over 4 equals 10 over 8. Okay, this part only we call it a ratio, and this part only we call it a ratio. Together we call it a proportion. Now between them equal, so I can solve for y. How I'm going to solve for y? First of all, we can multiply 4 by 10 and we can multiply the 8 by the y. Okay, when we multiply 8 by y, it will be 8y equals, and 4 times 10, it will be 40. So this is like a cross product. It's a cross product. Okay, now this is a simple equation. We can solve it in one step only. So 8 times y, we can divide by 8 both sides. So y equals 5. Done. Is it easy? Okay, next question. 2 over x equals 30 over negative 6. So for x, I want to find x equals what? Okay, I'm going to multiply by the cross product x by 30 and negative 6 by 2. So negative 6 times 2, it will be negative 12 on this side, and this x will come to that side. X times 30, it will be 30x. Okay, now how to solve this one? Okay, I'm going to keep the x alone. I will divide by 30 both sides. Why I didn't divide by 12, negative 12? Because I want to keep the x alone. I don't care about the other side. Okay, x equals 12 divided by 30. We can divide by 2, it will be 6. We divide by 2, it will be 15. So it will be negative 6 over 15. We still have more to simplify. So divide by 3, it will be 2. Divide by 3, it will be 5. So x equals negative 2 over 5. Okay, question 3. 3t over 10 equals 1 over 2. This is a little bit harder because we have a 3 with the t, but the same thing. I'm going to start with cross multiply. So it will be 2 times 3t, it will be 6t equals, on the other side, 10 times 1 equals 10. Now I'm going to divide by 6 both sides. Okay, simplify. So t equals 10 over 6. I will divide by 2 both sides, up and down. It will be 5 over 3. Done. Okay, question 4. I want to solve this proportion. 32 over 4 equals b plus 4 equal 3 over 3. Now it's a little bit different than the questions before because we have b plus 4 together on the numerator or on the right ratio. Okay, what I'm going to do, the same thing. I'm going to multiply up the down number with the up on the other side, and the down number with the number on the up number on the other side. Okay, 3 by 32, let's multiply 3 by 32. 3 by 2 is 6 and 3 by 3 is 9, so it will be 96. Now let's go to the other side. So 4 times b plus 4. This 4 is not multiplied only by b. Oh no, so 4 multiplied by b and multiplied by 4. So I'm going to multiply. I'm going to put the 4 and I open a bracket. It's b plus 4. Why? Because the 4 is not only times b, it's 4 times b and 4 times 4. So let's solve this equation. I cannot solve anything before I open the bracket. So 96 equals, I multiply 4 by b and 4 by 4. 4 by b, it's equal to 4 by 4b plus 4 by 4 equals 16. Now remember, this is b, so this is b. Okay, now I'm going to I want to keep the b alone. We have 4 times b and plus 16. This one, the first thing I'm going to take to the other side. So 4b, I'm going to do minus 16 here. Let's take another color. So I'm going to do minus 16 here and minus 16 here. This one will cancel. So now 4b is alone, and 96 minus 16 it will be 80. Now let's divide by 4 both sides, because here is multiplication. So divide by 4 both sides. So b equals 80 divided by 4 is 20. Done. Okay, last question. 7 over x equals 1 over 0.5. Now this is different little bit because we have a decimal here, but it's the same thing. I'm going to multiply the number down by the number up and the number down with the number up on the other side. So x times 1 equals x, and then I put the x. 0.5 times 7, that means what's half of 7? What's half of 7? Half of 7 is, or just let's make it in steps. I'll make a multiply first. 7 times 0.5, what's half of 7 is 3.5. Done. Thank you. Bye bye.